Hi all and welcome back to BizBOOSTER channel. In this video I'm going to share with you my secrets for improving your conversion rates. So if you are curious to know about my conversion rate secrets, continue watching this video, and at the end of the video, if you apply some of these strategies, probably you wouldn't apply them all because it wouldn't make sense for a business, but if you apply some of them, I guarantee you that your conversion rate gonna improve significantly. How many of you have seen the websites or landing pages where when you visit the website or landing page is not clear what the product or service is? Actually, if you pay attention, there are many websites that are not optimized in terms of their clarity. It is a very important concept because if the users visit your landing page or website and it's not clear for them what you offer or what is your value proposition, they're just gonna leave this page. If you don't spark the interest of users, they're not going to read all the text on the website or landing page, they're gonna leave. This is true. So a very important thing that you need to optimize is the titles and headlines. So this is like your face of your company, like the user enters into your website and your title and subtitle are the key elements to understand what you're offering to them. So pay attention to your titles and subtitles and work on optimizing them. Your message, your brand message, your value proposition should be very, very clear, should use simple words that users can understand, and or maybe you can use some text that users can associate themselves with. It depends on your strategy. You can either describe your value proposition or describe your potential client in the situation that they associated with. I don't know if it is clear for you, but yes, sometimes it is a good strategy when you grab users' attention by writing sentences so that when users read these sentences, they can identify themselves in this situation. So you should focus on your users first and make it very clear for them what you're offering. Another very important concept is the concept of social proof. Have you ever heard about it? I almost 100% I'm sure that you have heard about it already, but some of you probably still haven't applied this concept to your landing pages or web pages. So what is it about, this concept? Social proof is closely linked to the fact that most of the users that visit your website, they don't know who you are. Or they have heard about you, but they're not sure that you are a legit company. So the social proof helps these users to feel more confident when choosing your products or services. What can you apply? What is the exact strategies to apply this principle? The strategies are actually very easy and you can see them on many websites. You can just add the reviews, you can add your clients' logos, you can add testimonials. All of these elements are social proof. So if you have all this information from your clients, the reviews, the testimonials, so please use them because this would really help to convert your users. Nowadays, people are looking for personalized services, personalized products. The whole theme of personalization is a huge trend. So why don't you apply this concept to your landing page? How can you do that? For example, it's just one of the ways. Of course, there are many different ways of personalization, but one of the things that you can apply is to personalize according to the location of your user. So for example, if the user is visiting your page, and for example, I'm visiting some page, and it is written, you can find this kind of offers in Barcelona, and I'm actually in Barcelona, this is the kind of personalization that you can apply to your landing page or web page that can significantly boost your conversion rates. Of course, there are many other ways of personalization, but this is just one example. Another very interesting strategy that you can apply to boost your conversion rates is to apply the sense of urgency. This is a very popular marketing strategy used by many companies, and because it really works. Sense of urgency also helps to convert the users. It works on the deep psychological levels of human beings, and this strategy you can see this very often when you enter into some web page or some landing page, and you see the clock with the time of how many hours and days are left till the offer expires. This is one of the examples, and you can find it everywhere on internet, and yes, the reason it just works. To convert more users that visit your landing page or web page, you can also use exit pop-ups. This is a very powerful tool that many people underestimate, and you can just add the exit pop-ups so you can showcase your product and service to push these users more. It is a kind of final statement why they should buy from you. To convert more users, you can also use quizzes. This is also a very popular marketing technique, and you can see it a lot, especially in some kind of offers. But you can apply it into in many industries, in many different companies, service companies, companies selling products. You can add quiz to your web page, and at the end of the quiz, ask users to subscribe. And this way you will also get more subscribers, because people get more interested, and you can personalize also the message at the end of the quiz, so it would stimulate people to subscribe more. And then after that, of course, you can send them newsletters to promote some of your offers or products. And my last tip that also many companies underestimate, or they don't know how to set it up correctly, is to use remarketing tools that are also known as retargeting. So this strategy also means that you can show the ads to the users that haven't converted in the first place by visiting your website, and you can remarket or retarget them later by showing ads showcasing your product or services, and especially highlighting the points of the value that your product or service can provide to them. So you can show them these ads on Facebook, Google, Instagram, or use advertising platforms to show them ads on different websites. So this is a very powerful tool, because as you can imagine, the people that entered into your website, they already have some idea of you. And maybe some of them are really interested, but they still, when they visited your website, they were still not ready to buy. So remarketing helps to increase your conversion rate significantly, and it's a very, very powerful tool. And I really suggest you to spend time to work on it, to put the pixel, to collect these audiences in order to remarket them your products or services. So for today, these are all my secrets that I wanted to share with you in order to help you to boost your conversion rates. If you found my tips useful, please comment below which of them you're going to apply and why you find them the most useful. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. See you soon!